Class 3 English Marigold Unit 7 Puppy and I met a man as I went walking. We got talking, man and I. Where are you going to, man? I said. I said to the man as he went by. Down to the village to get some bread. Will you come with me? No, not I. I met a horse as I went walking. We got talking, horse and I. Where are you going to, horse, today? I said to the horse as he went by. Down to the village to get some hay. Will you come with me? No, not I. I met a puppy as I went walking. We got talking, puppy and I. Where are you going this fine day? I said to the puppy as he went by. Up in the hills to roll and play. I'll come with you, puppy, said I. Composed by A. Milne. Kavakwal velna a patling katoka. Patling lekei kanin bia a. Khoyange I kaldon. Ti in patingin ming kalpel lai chuan kabia a. Khua a changla turin ka kaldon ati a. Ilo kalve du em ati a. Ai du lau kati a. Kavakwal velna chuan sakor katoka. Kanin bia a sakor lekei. Voina hian khonge I kaldon sakor. Ti in sakorin min kalpel lai chuan kabia a. Khua a bu pol la turin ka kaldon ati a. Ilo kalve du em ati a. Ai kadu lau kati a. Kavakwal velna a uite katoka. Kanin bia a uite lekei. Voin ni nuam taka hian khonge I kaldon. Ti in uite kallai chu kabia a. Tlanga lumvel le infiam turin ati a. Ikia nga kalau kalve ange uite kati a. Phua tu A. Milne. New words. Village khote thingtlang khwa. Hills tlang. Bread chang. Hay bupol. Roll lum. Play infiam. Let us do reading is fun. Who is the I in the poem? I in the poem is a child. Hela a hian kei I ati hi poem a hian tunge ni. Hela a hian I kei ati hi no pangte kha ani. No pangte hlami hla a lo soizel tu kha. Where was the man going? Khoyange patling kha akaldon. The man was going down to the village to get some bread. Patling chu thingtlang khote a khanin chang lei turin akaldon ani. Why didn't the child go with the horse? No pangkhaing wangin nge sakorbula akallo. The child didn't go with the horse because the horse seemed to be busy in his work. He was going to get hay from the village. No pangkha sakor kyanga kallo na chanchu sakor kha na abwai mele mema khwa akhan khote akhanin bupol latura akaldon wangani. Why did the child go with the puppy? Mipanaw pangkhaing wangin nge uite kyanga akal. The child went with the puppy because the puppy was going up the hills to roll and play and the kid too wanted to play. Mipanaw pangchu tlanga khanin no uite kyanga kalna chanchu. Uite chu tlanga chuan alum velanga in fiam vel dona. No pangte po khan in fiam acha ka wangin uite bula khan akalta ani. Let's go to the next exercise. Talk time. Question number 1. Do you have a pet? Hey hi mani du da na chan tura niya hilaya chuan entirna kalauda akay man kalau chan chin may niya ma se nang mani khanin in iran in nei tak tak chuanin yes I do have a pet ti in chang thaya ran in nei lo ero chuanin no I do not have a pet in ti thayang. Question number 2 wa chuanin talk about 3 things that you and your pet do together. Til pathum nangle iranina inti dunchin. Hansoite atyani. Every morning and evening we go for walks. Number 2, we have breakfast together. Number 3, we sit and watch TV together. I ran ne na in thil ti dun kai ziak don ni zing kara le tlaya te kan uak dun thina zing cho te kan ei dun thina TV te kan en dun thina thui lo po hi we used to play together we play together we play catch we play fetch emo we swim together we drink together we dance together khatyang te po ka chi sang sang kha ati thei ani. How do you look after your pet? Tell the class in your own language and then in English. Ingtin nge iran chu I en kol chin imani tungin han soi photla English in isoi le donia atyani uite chu zinga le tlaya te kawak pui thina kabual thina cho tha ka pe thina ril trama piangin amut na hi fai takin ke en kol bok thina ni. I take him for walks in the morning and evening. I bathe him. I feed him good food. Whenever he is hungry, I keep his bed clean. Say aloud. Ring takin chiaro. Atia ring dabin kan lo chiarang helaya hian alamdan in ang deu alo da ani. Bread, said. Hey, today. Roll, Paul. Who am I? Tunge kani. Buanga is my friend. Buanga has 4 legs. Buanga has a long tail. Who is Buanga? Buanga barks. Buanga wags his tail. Buanga is happy. Who is Buanga? Buanga is my dog. Let's draw. Lemziakang. Look at the dogs in the picture and write about them. You might begin, I am a little brown dog. My name is... Heng milem tehi en ula uite lem tehi. Chuan an chan chin hi ziak ro u. Heti hian bulin chan thayang. I am a little brown dog. Uite ukte takte kaniya kaming chu tiang tepon. Amasabira chuan bulldog kaniya dota boxer. German shepherd uite Doberman te kaniya. Heng ho chan chin hi tu na kan lo ziak donani. Bulldog. I am a bulldog. I have a big head, short and fat nose. My neck is short and thick. Overall, I am short. Bulldog kaniya. Lu lian deu kaniya. Kanar hi atoyin apheka. Chuan athau buka. Ka ngong hi atoyin acha ema. Azavaya chuan keima hi katoy ani. Boxer. I am a boxer. I am a large dog with short and flat nose. My tail is short. My hair is smooth. Boxer kaniya. Kalianin William tak kaniya. Chuan kanar hi atoyin apheka. Kamei hi atoy boka. Kamul hi anemin inge atra emani atiani. German shepherd. I am a German shepherd. I help police in catching the thieves, etc. I also help in guarding buildings, etc. Kay mahi German shepherd kaniya. Police te hi miswal man na te kapui china. Chuan inveng tur te pon kapui china ni atiani. Doberman alawom lea. I am a Doberman. I help in guarding buildings. I am a large dog with short hair. Doberman kaniya. William tak kaniya. Chuan building te kaven pui china. Kamul hi atoy bokani atiani. Let's go to the next one. Join the dots and color and name your dog. You will join the dots and color the picture of the dog and then give a name. He we he a join in joint he mi a dot how he in thai zo manga in chu hi arong color in nei tiranga mingte in thwa sak donani. Let's write match the animals with their sounds. Tahian ran nung tele an shamri thai zom turani a. We are going to match the animals with their sounds. A horse neighs. A dog barks. A sheep bleats. A cat mews. An elephant trumpets. A tiger roars. A cow moos. Tiang kanin in lo thai zum do ne le khabua o. Let us do question number 2. List these animals under domestic animals and wild animals. So we are going to write the name of the animals under these given spaces. Domestic animals inavulji. Wild animals, animals which are living in the jungle, in the forest, and domestic animals are animals we tame at home. Domestic animals to ram vulji niya, wild animals to ram hnuai ram jetla ram sa cheng ti anti nani. So under domestic animals we have dog, cow, sheep, goat, buffalo. Under wild animals we have jackal, fox, tiger, elephant, and bear. Question number 3. Fill in the blanks with rhyming words. Anwaya thu omtehi anma ni lamrik dan anga rive thau word dang teka ansira hianin aintutin kanziak peidonani. The first one we have heel. For heel we can write chill, keel, peel. For hay we can write ray, day. For fine we can write dine, shine. Get we can write bet, wet. Going, owing, rowing. Hair, dare, rare. Number 4, we have to read out the poem. Bruno. Bruno is my pet puppy. He breaks his dish. He is sad. Daddy gives him milk, but Bruno is sad. Mommy gives him a new dish. Now Bruno is happy. Choose the right words. According to this poem, we are going to fill up these blanks using the word given in the brackets, and we will choose the correct word from the bracket. Heng achunga poem mang thu mang te hianin anwaya kar ol hi da kha turania kar ol da kha turian asira bracketin thu aron da adik zok zel hi a ol da kha nan hian kan mang donani. Bruno is my pet. He breaks his dish. Daddy gives him milk. Mommy gives him a new dish. Bruno is now happy.